So this person, as you said, he was going here and there and meeting different people, and the result was he wasn't getting very quick perfection as mantra. So that's a common thing, asat sangatyage vaishnavachara. First thing Guru will tell you is avoid the wrong association. So when you associate with others that are not sajati or asha snigdha, sajati asha snigdha, Rupa Goswami says this is the qualification for Sangha. And we don't see that principle being applied in the Brihad Bhagavatamrita Part 2. He was going here and there, meeting here and there. So the first thing the Guru will tell you, don't go here and there. Don't go here. Oh, there's this really nice devotee. He's a so-and-so Mandir Goswami. He's speaking Radhakatha. It's really beautiful. But he's not Gaudiya. So the Guru will say, don't go there. Why do we not mix up? Sajati means the same family, means the same parivara, means the same sampradaya, Gaudiya sampradaya. That's Sajati. This is Rupa Goswami Shiksha in the fundamental book of Bhakti Bhajan, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. He says, who to associate with? Sajati Ashu Snigdha. Asha means he should be the same family. That means I should associate only from 7 days a week, day after day, all the time, associate on the net, or associate on the TV, or associate in the classroom or temple with Gaudiya Vaishnavas. Then they should be, so one meaning is they're Gaudiyas, and second meaning of Asha means aspiration, cherished ambition. Do they share the same ambition? I'm interested in Mandri Bhav, Gopi Bhav, Anarpita Trim Chirat Karana Yavatirna Galo. Lord Chaitanya came to give Onat Ujjvala Ras. He came to give this Shringarati of Radha and Krishna's Parakiya Bhav to the conditioned souls. I want that, and I'm following this line with this Guru, and this person is following this line with this Guru. So that's Sajati, and that's Asha. Sajati Asha Snigdha. Snigdha means they're affectionate, they're kind-hearted, they're kind and hearted towards me and affectionate, because I'm junior and I'm going to associate with them. So they're affectionately helping me or answering my questions or guiding me. So this is the idea of sneha or snigdha.